Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranali Rokde and I am a student of Robotics and Automation branch from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. The name of our PBL1 project is Temperature Detector using Arduino Uno. Our team members are Vaibhav Rasar, Tushar Sabre, Pratiksha Raut and Vicky Salunke. This project is guided by Professor Boite. The components used for our projects is Arduino Uno 16x2 LCD display, LM35 sensor and some connecting wires. Arduino is a microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328P. It has 14-digit inputs and output pins. It is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. A 16x2 LCD means it can display 16 characters per line and there are two such lines. In this LCD, each character is displayed in 5x7 pixel matrix. The LM35 temperature sensor can detect the temperature range from -55° to +150° Celsius. LM35 sensor uses the basic principle of a diode, whereas the temperature increases, the voltage across a diode increases at a known rate. Now we will talk about the working. Arduino reads output voltage of a temperature sensor by using analog pin A0 and performs the calculation to convert this analog value to a digital value of current temperature. After calculations, Arduino sends this calculation or temperature to 16x2 LCD unit by using appropriate commands of LCD. Some of these applications of the project is thermometer is a temperature measuring instrument. There are different principles that can be used to measure the temperature like thermal expansion of solids or liquids, pressure of gas, measurement of infrared energy, etc. Measuring temperature is an important part of many applications like maintaining precise temperature in storage rooms, laboratories, incubators, etc. In this project, an Arduino-based digital thermometer is designed that can be used to monitor the temperature of a room with more accuracy and run an experiment using a selection of this device. Let us see the advantages. Digital thermometer is easier to read compared to the glass thermometer. Digital thermometer is fast, accurate and convenient for use. It can measure the body temperature and can ensure accuracy. It has a wide range of applications. It is usually applied to measure gas, liquid and solid temperature. In numerous fields, it can be applied in several areas such as hospitals, restaurants and schools. I would like to thank Zeal College of Engineering for giving us an opportunity to be a part of this project-based learning, and I would also like to thank Mechanical Department for the funds. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.